Okay. Bore da, jyst yn aros I weld some popeth yn gweithio. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Cyn I dechrau, os mae plant yn barod, os chi'n barod, dŵr, gwisgo rhywbeth addas, okay, a wneud yn siŵr mae lle gyda chi, okay? So falle chi'n adre, maybe you're at home, make sure there's a bit of space, water, and you're wearing clothes ready to do some exercise, neu os chi'n yn y dosbarth, or if you're in the classroom, just make sure you've got a little bit of space, so ti'n gallu mynd rownd, just neu cylch, so mae digon o lle gyda chi. Okay. Cyn I dechrau, neu dangos ffrind newydd fi heddi. Doris, y Dracania Marginata. Literally o'n llygyrru fyna. But then okay, been okay. Mae'n goffa fi o fel palm tree. It reminds me of a palm tree. So it makes me think of the summer. Ni bron na, mae'r hael mas heddi, joio. Doris yn gadw nawr, got me straight in the eye. Plan heddi, Ffit Yn pimp, okay? Ffit Yn pimp. Pimp gweithgaredd. Dyle pawb gwybod nawr, we should all know what's going on. Ni'n gweithio munud gyda break yn ei gorffwys yn y canol. We work for 1 minute on an exercise with a break in between, so we split it up and we do 5 exercises. Okay? So heddi, ni'n mynd I wneud bach o, now you like this one, it's a bird's favourite exercise. Core! Core! Yeah, that's right. Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o core heddi. Siwr fod pawb yn gofyn, what is core? Core muscles chi yw popeth yn y trunk, okay? Ni'n goffo cael rhain yn gryf. We need to keep these nice and strong. They keep us up. They help us get out of bed. Os ti'n teimlo, maen nhw'n wastad yn gweithio. Os ti'n pigo lan pensil, ti'n gallu gweithio, maen nhw'n gweithio nawr. Yn y cefn, they help keep everything working. So os ti'n chwaraeon, neu cerdded unrhyw beth, okay? Core muscles yn gadael ti'n neud unrhyw beth. Okay? Fi'n gallu teimlo nhw'n gweithio nawr. So, hwnna pan mae'n bwysig. Okay, so we're going to do core exercises today. A ni twymo lan, a wedyn ewn ni syth mewn I them. Okay? Syth mewn I nhw. So, ewn ni dechrau off. Starting off with a slow march, okay? So just slow steps. Ni ddim yn rhedeg o gwmpas heddi. We're not running around today. We're going to be working in a small space a gweithio'r core muscles. Da iawn. Ni'n mynd I slow o lawr. We're going to slow down, but get the legs a little bit higher, okay? So, lan a lawr. Lan a lawr. Hold it. Good. So pan ni'n cydbwysig, when we're balancing, we're using our core muscles all the time. Da iawn ochr. Good. Okay. Tro ma, ni'n mynd cilchu gyda hips ni. We're just going to do little circles with our hips. Eto. Os ti'n teimlo bola chi, if you feel your stomach, you can feel all the muscles working. Okay? And y cefn fyd. Just straight legs, coesau syth, cilchau bach un ffordd, a ffordd arall, back the other way. Da iawn. Okay, tro ma. Sefyll nice. Coesau ar wahân, legs apart. Okay, ni'n mynd I troi I un ochr. Okay, we're going to turn to one side, but our legs aren't going to move. Okay, so twist the top, Legs are facing forward, okay? A no mewn. Ochr arall, hips yn troi bach, and my legs are moving. Ochr arall, we're going to do 4 each side. Ail un i'r chwith. Third, try and turn, look behind you. Edrych tu ôl. Os mae rhywun tu ôl, rhoi waf un o bach, give him a little wave. Last one, on each side. Cadw'n adlu, keep breathing. Good. Rhoi bach o shiggle. Wedyn nawr, ni'n mynd i benni off, got a couple of squats. Kevin Syth, okay, plug your pengliniau. Imagine you're going to sit in a chair, okay, fel ti'n eistedd mewn cader, okay. Fel yna, good. A lan, eto, ni'n gweithio popeth. A ni chi bych yn mwyn neud dwylo, you can put them out in front. Ti'n gallu rhoi nhw ar ben chi. You can put them on your head. 3 arall. Good. Gweithio'r coesau, get them nice and warm. 2 more. Un ola. Good, okay. 5 gweithgaredd ni'n mynd i wneud. Rhai rhain ni wedi wneud o blaen, hwn yn ffain, okay? Gyda unrhyw beth, chi gorffo ymarfer, you've got to practice things to get better. High plank, okay? Arms out in front. Wel, pwy sy'n ffordd o fi? Dad fi. Gobeithio fe fi'n iawn. Brech e mas, yn syth. High plank, okay? Ni ddim moyn bend fel hyn, a ni ddim moyn mynd lawr i'r llawr. Nice and high. A ni hwnna'n 30 eiliad. Gorffwys bach, 30 eiliad arall. Plank yr ochr, okay? Tebyg, ni'n mynd lawr tro yma. Dod lawr i'r llawr. Elbows yn syth a hips yn dod lan. Ni moyn cadw'r hips lan. Roedd hwnna'n really bwysig. We don't want to sag to the floor. Os ti'n moyn rhoi fel na, rhoi wave, hwnna'n ffain fyd. 30 eiliad ar un ochr, a ni'n swap o droso, okay? We'll swap over. 10 cm hold, 10 cm a dal. Ni'n mynd i gorwedd lawr, codi, tra ni off y llawr, a ni'n mynd i dal a fe na, am 30 eiliad. Okay, ni ddim mynd lan y top. We want to make it hard, so ni'n literally cadw just off the llawr. If they're too high up, we're going to use different muscles. Just cadw off. Okay, tuck up, neu tuck lan, tro yma. We're lying down, okay, pawb ar y llawr. Arms outstretched, feet outstretched. Wedyn, pengliniau'n dod lan. Ar un amser, chi'n dod lan fyd, okay? So then ni'n gyda'i gilydd. Wpa. Syth. So you're making a little ball yn y canol, okay? 30 eiliad, gorffwys 30 eiliad arall. A wedyn, ni'n mynd i sefyll yn neis, a dal, hips ddim yn sefyll. So ni'n plygu'r pengliniau lot, just a slight bend, okay? Ni ddim yn symud nhw, ond ni'n mynd i'r ochr, touch, nôl i'r top. So fe'n ras, ond ti'n teimlo fe, ochr arall. This is stretching nawr, a ni wedyn, lot o pŵer i canol lan. Okay? 30 eiliad, gorffwys 30 eiliad, a wedyn, nawn ni cwlo lawr. Pawb yn hapus. Okay? Bydd hwn yn tough. Falle ddim yn chwysu, you won't be sweating loads, but it's going to be a tough, tough workout. Okay. Falle oedd dad yn ffôn o fi i join y mewn. Sa'n siŵr? Falle, who knows? Okay, high plank i dechrau. Pawb i cael sip o dŵr os mae un ar gael. High quality H2O. Pawb barod. High plank. 3. Okay, Ni just mynd i cadw'r high plank. Os chi'n moyn, it sounds easy, ond ni'n neud yn dros am munud. So, take your time, anadlu. Concentrate. Ar ôl bach, ti dechrau siglo. Tense your stomach, okay? Tense o lan. Mae rhai pobl yn gweud, engage the core. Be chi'n meddwl hwnna'n meddwl? Imagine ti'n mynd i bwrw dy hunan, a ti'n tense o lan, cos ti'n barod i cael, that's it, tensed. Os ti'n fel un, tense, okay. Pan barod, nôl mewn, trin y geiliad, nice high plank. Da iawn. Ni'n dechrau siglo bach. Deg eiliad. Cadw fynd. Da iawn pawb. Oh, good. Plank ar ochr, okay? Elbows a forearm ar y llawr, ti'n gallu weld? Mae'n symud nôl bach. A wedyn, we're just going to raise up, keep the hips up. Don't let them fall in, okay? 14 ar ôl. Bydd hwn yn tough. Okay? Os ti'n gorffo, you can have a little rest. 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, a wedyn mynd nôl lan. Okay? Okay, lan a ni. Nes i efo'n ddoi, so I might be struggling. Os ti'n moyn, llaw, lan, if you want to put your hand up in the air, high five. Keep checking in with the hips. Okay, cadw meddwl beth i hips chi. Sometimes they just drop, gotta keep them up. Da iawn. High fives. High five, pawb. Faint i'r ôl? I can't see. O, 3. Da iawn. Swap o droso, swap over. Oh, bydd y hael. Torheilo. 8 eiliad. 3, 2. Hips lan, cadw nhw lan. Don't let them fall. Okay? Don't let your legs go in. Feet stacked. A sy'n moyn rhoi high fives mas. Good. Cadw'n adlu. Should be a lot of shaking. Os i angen rest, cer lawr am 3 eiliad a dod nôl I ni. That's fine. If you need a rest, go down for a few seconds. 3. Da iawn. Good. Dal. We're going to do the hold. So, cofia nawr, we're not having our feet up really far. Think of 10 centimetres, and you just want to pop your legs up 10 centimetres off the floor, fel trad chi. Okay, only your feet. And then put your head on the floor. Okay? Do as much as you can, and then cael rest. Dig. This is harder. You can put your hands flat on the floor for balance. 20 eiliad ar ôl. Oh my days. Cadw'n adlu. Keep your toes pointing to the sky. Os ti angen rest, ceri ar bach o rest a dod nôl. That was tough. Okay. Fi'n gwybod beth fi angen gweithio arno. I know what I need to work on. O'n i'n stryglan. 5 eiliad, wish us luck. No lawr. Cadw'n adlu, keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Keep concentrating, canolbwyntio. Keep the toes pointed up. Trio cadw 10 centimetr. 6. Oh my. Da iawn. O! Bola pan mae'n gallu teimlo'r core. Wff! Tro nesaf, tuck up. Okay, so we're flat. Coesau, pengliniau'n dod lan. Brechen i dod lan fyd. Okay, demo bach nawr. Legs straight, arms straight. A wedyn, ni'n rhoi ball. We look like a ball. Mas. Ball, okay? Oh, na. Oh, this was a bad idea. Roll a 10 centimeter hold. If you need a break, cael break. Oh! Oh, quick, come on, Steph. 3. Cael mynd. Oh my days. Hwn tough. Oh. Abs fi'n lladd. They are killing. 10 eiliad. A wedyn ni'n sefyll lan I benni. Okay. Come on, A mas. Mewn. A mas. Mewn. Anadlu. 20 seconds. Oh. We need Hermione Granger's time turner. Oh. 10 eiliad. Carfend. Oh. 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 Hwna pa mae core yn bwysig. Oh. Okay, standing leans, okay? So ni'n mynd i'r ochr. Cofio cael sip. Obliques o'r bits ar ochr nawr. Ni'n just like a little lean. Keep your legs straight. Just a little lean. Falle penglin, touch your knee. Ochr arall. Nice and slow, don't rush. Fi'n gallu teimlo fe barod. Just little to the sides, keeping back nice and straight. I'm not bent over, okay, nice and tall. I'm just sliding to the knee. Da iawn. Oh, those tuck-ups are horrible. Oh. Okay, un arall, wedyn cool down. Just light stretching o'r core, a wedyn job done. Bydda iawn pawb, Tuesday done. Sydd lan, i'r ochr, no lan. Good. Cadw nadlu, keep breathing. Cofia, really bwysig mewn bywyd, okay? In life, really important, good core. You need this, you need your core for everything. Prevents you having bad backs. Okay. Okay, well done. Have a little shake. Have a little shake. This is gael. Keep offering me stuff, I don't want them. Okay, tro yma. Just cilch eto, we're going to do our hip circles again. Everything's linked, okay? Oh, I'm teimlo fe. Good one for the summer. Just quick 5-minute blast of the core. A ti'n teimlo fe. Hip circles the other way. Da iawn. Cadw nadlu. Two more. Da arall. Good, okay. Tro yma. Brech y mas o flan ni. Your palms, back of your hands facing out, okay? A wedyn, slowly, ni'n mynd I anadlu. We're going to breathe and move our hands up over our heads, okay? Pawb yn barod. Offa ni. Nice and slow. Right at the top. And breathe out. When we're going up, we breathe in, okay? Anadlu mewn. Mas. Unwaith eto. Opening up the ribs. Opening up our lungs. Tro ma i'r ochr. Okay, hands by your sides. Mewn, mynd lan, a anadlu mas I dod lawr. 3 waith. Go as far as you can. Nothing painful, okay? So I'm on boen. Just nice a cyfforddus. Look like a bird. Cool. Da iawn. Couple of shoulder rolls, okay? Pimp nôl. Rolio nôl. A rolio nôl. Eto, we're going to go forward. 3, 4, 5. Da iawn. Gobeithio nath pawb mwynhau. Rhywbeth bach wahanol, okay? Just something different. Eto, os chi moyn weld rhywbeth, neu chi moyn rhywbeth yn y sesiwn, just hela neges I ni ar Instagram, Facebook. Os mae'r athrawon yna, if your teachers are there, tell them to give us an email if you've got any ideas. Always welcoming ideas, okay? Athyn ni wneud co heddi. Os falle chi moyn just sesiwn coesau, nath Thrids wneud o blaen, neu unrhyw beth fel yna, we can do those as well, okay? Mae'r hael mas, so os mae cyfle gyda chi, if you've got a chance to, have some sunshine, plenty of water, digon o dŵr, okay, really bwysig, enjoy your diwrnod, okay? Enjoy the week. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Okay, fi'n mynd I fi, ta-ta, cyn fi sneeze o. Cheers!